How to make gingerbread spiced coffee syrup, homemade coffee syrup recipe. Hey, coffee lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delightful gingerbread spiced coffee syrup, perfect for adding a touch of holiday cheer to your daily cup of joe. This homemade syrup is easy to make and will bring the warm and cozy flavors of gingerbread to your favorite coffee drinks. So, let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup water, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1/2 cup brown sugar, packed, 2 tablespoons molasses, 2 teaspoons ground ginger, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: in a small bowl, combine the ground ginger, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, and ground nutmeg. Mix well to create your gingerbread spice blend. Adjust the spices to suit your taste preferences. In a medium-sized saucepan, add the water, granulated sugar, and packed brown sugar. Stir everything together over medium heat until the sugars dissolve completely. Once the sugars have dissolved, add the molasses to the saucepan. Stir well to incorporate the molasses into the mixture. Then, add your gingerbread spice blend, and continue stirring to evenly distribute the flavors. Reduce the heat to low and let the mixture simmer for about 10-15 minutes. This will allow the flavors to meld and create that rich, gingerbread spiced syrup. Keep an eye on it to ensure it doesn't boil or burn. After simmering, remove the saucepan from the heat and add the vanilla extract. Stir it in gently. Allow the gingerbread spiced syrup to cool for a few minutes. Then, strain it through a fine mesh sieve or a coffee filter to remove any lumps or excess spices. Finally, pour the syrup into a sterilized bottle or jar and seal it tightly. You can store the syrup in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Now that you have your delicious gingerbread spiced coffee syrup, it's time to put it to good use. Simply add a tablespoon or 2, adjust to your taste, of the syrup to your favorite brewed coffee, hot or iced. You can also use it to enhance other beverages like lattes, cappuccinos, and even cocktails. There you have it, an easy and mouthwatering recipe for homemade gingerbread spiced coffee syrup. This delightful syrup will undoubtedly add a touch of warmth and holiday joy to your daily coffee routine. Give it a try, and let us know how you liked it in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting recipes and coffee-related content. Happy brewing!
Introducing the adorable brown bear with Christmas 2023 mug. This charming brown bear is all set to bring festive cheer to your holiday season. Adorned with silver decorations, gold stars, and snowflakes, this delightful mug captures the essence of Christmas. Its white snow backdrop and silver accents add a touch of elegance. Whether you're sipping your favorite hot beverage or using it as a decorative piece, this brown bear with Christmas 2023 mug is sure to spread joy and warmth throughout the holidays.
Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.